नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में हम क्लास 12th का पॉलिटिकल साइंस का एग्जाम पेपर हल कर रहे हैं, जिसका सब्जेक्ट कोड 317 है। ये पेपर अक्टूबर 2024 का है और ये सेट ए है और जिसका पेपर कोड 68/ESS/1 है। पेपर को शुरू करने से पहले अगर अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर ले और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कर दे ताकि आगे भी मैं आपको दूसरे सब्जेक्ट के सॉल्व्ड एग्जाम पेपर दे सकूं। धन्यवाद। General instructions. 1. Candidate must write his/her roll number on the first page of the question paper. 2. Please check the question paper to verify that the total pages and total number of questions contained in the question paper are the same as those printed on the top of the first page. Also check to see that the questions are in sequential order. 3. Making any identification mark in the answer book or writing roll number anywhere other than the specified places will lead to disqualification of the candidate. 4. Write your question paper code number 68/ESS/1A on the answer book. 5. A. The question paper is in English Hindi medium only. However, if you wish, you can answer in any one of the languages listed below: English, Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, Bengali, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, Marathi, Oriya, Gujarati, Konkani, Manipuri, Assamese, Nepali, Kashmiri, Sanskrit, and Sindhi. You are required to indicate the language you have chosen to answer in the box provided in the answer book. B. If you choose to write the answer in the language other than Hindi and English, the responsibility for any errors/mistakes in understanding the question will be yours only. 6. In case of any doubt or confusion in the question paper, the English version will prevail. इस पेपर के लिए आपको 3 घंटे का समय मिलेगा और ये 100 नंबर का पेपर होगा। Notes. I. This question paper consists of 54 questions in all. 2. All questions are compulsory. 3. Marks are given against each question. 4. Attempt all questions from optional module 7A or optional module 7B in all sections. 5. Section A consists of A. Q number 1 to 20, multiple choice type questions, MCQs, carrying 1 mark each. Select and write the most appropriate option out of the 4 options given in each of these questions. B. Q number 21 to 35, subjective type questions, carrying 2 marks each, with 2 subparts of 1 mark each. Attempt these questions as per the instructions given for each of the questions. V. Section B consists of A. Q number 1, 36 to 46, very short answer type questions, carrying 2 marks each, to be answered in the range of 30 to 50 words. B. Q number 47 to 52, short answer type questions, carrying 3 marks each, to be answered in the range of 50 to 80 words. C. Q number 53 to 54, long answer type questions, carrying 5 marks each, to be answered in the range of 80 to 120 words. Notes. 1. Answers of all questions are to be given in the answer book given to you. 2. 15 minutes time has been allotted to read this question paper. The question paper will be distributed at 02:15 p.m. From 02:15 p.m. to 02:30 p.m., the students will read the question paper only and will not write any answer on the answer book during this period. Section A. 1. Which one of the following organs of the government enforces laws? 1. A. Judiciary. B. Executive. C. Legislature. D. All of the above. Answer. B. Executive. 2. Which one of the following is not an element of the state? 1. A. Fixed territory. B. Population. C. Membership of the United Nations. D. Government. Answer C. Membership of the United Nations. 3. Complete the sentence correctly with an appropriate option. 1. The state is a task. A. Political concept. B. Economic concept. C. Social concept. D. Cultural concept. A. Political concept. 4. Who among the following had contributed to Marxism philosophy? 1. A. Harold Lasky. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Friedrich Engels. D. Kerner. Answer: C. Friedrich Engels. 5. Who among the following believed that as are the means, so are the ends? 1. A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Karl Marx. C. Harold Lasky. D. Machiavelli. Answer: A. Mahatma Gandhi. To which right is the 86th Amendment related? 1. A. Right to property. B. Right to education. C. Right to religion. D. Right to equality. Answer: B. Right to education. 7. Which statement is the correct explanation of Panchsheel? A. It is a set of 5 laws. B. These are guiding principles for bilateral relations. C. It is a set of 5 countries. D. These are the 5 rules for good governance. And B. These are guiding principles for bilateral relations. 8. Which one of the following is the correct full form of NAM? 1. A. New Aligned Movement. B. Non-aligned movement. C. Non-assigned movement. D. Non-alternate movement. Answer: B. Non-aligned movement. 9. United Nations is an international organization of 1. A. European countries. B. NATO countries. C. Developing countries. D. Independent member countries. Answer: D. Independent member countries. 10. Choose the correct option. 1. Sri Lanka is situated to the A. North of India. B. East of India. C. South of India. D. West of India. Answer: C. South of India. 11. Which reason is responsible for the partition of British India in 1947? A. Two-nation theory propounded by Muslim League. B. Demand of the Congress Party for the partition. C. People of both the religions were not ready to live together. D. For good governance of the regions. Ants. A. Two-nation theory propounded by Muslim League. 12. Which one of the following is not a dispute between India and China? 1. A. Boundary dispute. D. Control over Tibet by China. C. The non-aligned policy of India. D. The occupation of Indian territory by China in 1962. Answer: C. The non-aligned policy of India. Optional Module 7A. 13. United Nations was established on 1. A. 24th October 1945. B. 24th October 1946. C. 24th November 1945. D. 24th November 1946. Ans. A. 24th October 1945. Which one of the following is not an organ of the United Nations? 1. A. General Assembly. B. Security Council. C. UNESCO. D. Secretariat. Ans. C. UNESCO. 15. Which one is the correct full form of NPT? 1. A. New Proliferation Treaty. B. Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. C. Nuclear Power Treaty. D. Nuclear Proliferation Treaty. Answer: B. Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. 16. Which international organization has the objective of maintaining international peace and security? 1. A. The United Nations. B. The International Court of Justice. C. International Trusteeship System. D. United Nations Commission for Human Rights. Ans. A. The United Nations. 17. Which one of the following is not a human right? 1. A. Right to work in just condition. B. freedom of religion. C, equality before the law, to be a citizen of any state. Ans. D, to be a citizen of any state. 18. To which organ do all the members of United States have the membership? 1. A. Security Council. B. Secretariat. C. General Assembly. D. International Court of Justice. Answer: General Assembly. 19. Which continent has no permanent member in the Security Council? 1. A. Asia. B. Europe. C. Australia. D. America. Ans. C. Australia. 20. Which one of the following statement is false about United Nations? 1. A. It can take military action against any country. B. It has its own permanent army. C. It can authorize any country to use force against any other erring country. D. India has provided its military personnel to United States for taking action. Ans. B. It has its own permanent army. Optional Module 7B 13. Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, is a 1. A. Legal body. B. Constitutional body. C. Governmental agency. D. Social body. Answer: B. Constitutional body. 14. Who appoints the members of the UPSC? 1. A. Supreme Court. B. Parliament of India. C. Prime Minister. D. President of India. Answer: D. President of India. 15. Who among the following was the first to develop the concept of bureaucracy? 1. A. Karl Marx. P. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Administrative Reforms Commission. D. Max Weber. Answer: D. Max Weber. 16. Which one of the following is not a feature of political executive? 1. A. Political executive makes and takes decisions. B. It is temporary and gets changed. C. Political executive is answerable to Parliament. D. Political executive is neutral civil service. Ans. D. Political executive is neutral civil service.
अगर आपको इस पेपर की पूरी PDF फाइल चाहिए तो आप हमें इस नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं 9052055097।